Hello children, the topic that we are going to study today in English language is articles. Now we all know that words like a, and, the, these are what? These are articles, and an article is always used before a noun. Now articles are divided into two categories. First is indefinite articles and the second is definite articles. Now, indefinite articles are a or an, and definite article is the. Now, when we use indefinite articles, when we are not particular about a thing or a person, when we talk something in general, when we are not particular, when we are not specific about a thing or a person, when we are talking, then we use articles like a or an. For example, I want to buy a t-shirt. Now here I am referring to any t-shirt. I am not particular about the t-shirt I want to buy. I just want to buy any t-shirt. That's why I have used a article here. Now when we use article the, when we are particular about a thing or person. For example, the t-shirt that I bought yesterday was not good. Now which t-shirt I am talking about here? The t-shirt which I bought yesterday. That's why I have used the here, because the t-shirt that I am talking about is the one that I bought yesterday. So here the noun t-shirt is definite. That's why I have used article the here. Now when we introduce something for the first time in our text, we use a or an. And when the same thing is being mentioned for the second or subsequent time, then we use the. For example, I saw a teacher coming in our class. The teacher is beautiful. Now here the word teacher, when I am introducing it for the first time, I used a. And when I am mentioning the same person, the same teacher, the second time, then I have used the article. Okay, so I saw a teacher coming in our class. The teacher is beautiful. Now a is always used before consonant sounds. For example, a house, a bus, etc. And an is always used before vowel sounds. For example, an orange, an honest man. Now you can see H is a consonant here, but the sound that is coming from honest is a vowel sound. Honest. O.
Now we look at the usage of indefinite article the. We can use the before certain unique nouns. See here, for example, rain, sun, wind, world and earth. These are unique things. There is no other thing like sun, rain, wind, world, earth. So we know that these are unique things. So before unique things, we use article the. But if we want to describe a particular instance of these, for example, there is a cold wind blowing. This is an instance which I am trying to describe, that there is a cold wind blowing. So that's why I have used here article a. Now to describe the people of a country or a class of people also, we use article the. For example, the English, the French, the rich. Now before the names of many large geographical areas and the four directions, for example, the east, the west, the north, the south, the Gulf countries, the Himalayas, etc. Before the names of rivers, oceans and seas also, we use article the. For example, the Brahmaputra, the Indian Ocean. Some more examples could be the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean. Now before the names of deserts, forests and gulfs, for example, the Sahara, the Persian Gulf, the Amazon forest. Now before the names of musical instruments also, we use article the. For example, the guitar, the drums, the flute. Now before a superlative, that means before superlative degree of adjective, for example, the best computer. Best is adjective here and it is in its superlative form, so we have used article the. The worst player, the most interesting book. Now before the names of newspapers also, like the Hindu, the Indian Express, before the names of famous buildings, monuments, paintings, for example, the Empire State Building, the Red Fort, the Mona Lisa, etc.